If God willing, through this video, you will learn about the specifications and contents of the case and the price of the Realme C63 phone in the economic price category. Let's get to the details. Welcome back. We will first start with the date of the announcement of the phone and the release in the market. The phone was announced on May 31, 2024. The release date is on June 5, 2024. The weight of the phone: 189 or 191 grams depending on the color. The thickness is 7.7 millimeters. The phone is waterproof and dustproof with an IP54 rating. It supports two 4G SIM cards with the installation of a memory card. It supports the fingerprint on the power button and supports the face. Supports NFC technology in some markets. It also supports the OTG file transfer function. There is a headphone jack. Supports photo, video, and document editor. Android 14 operating system with Realme UI 5.0 interface. Phone colors: green and blue. Battery: 5000 mAh with 45 watts fast charger and Type-C charging port. Storage space: the phone has 3 versions. 6 GB RAM and 128 GB. 8 GB RAM and 128 GB. 8 GB RAM and 256 GB. It supports the installation of a memory card, and the RAM is doubled through the software. Screen: IPS LCD with a size of 6.7 and HD plus quality with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, a pixel density of 260 pixels per inch, and the brightness is 560 nits. It supports night mode and eye protection. Processor: Unisoc Tiger T6 12 octa-core 12 nanometers manufacturing technology. Mali G57 graphics processor. Cameras: first, the front camera. It has a resolution of 8 megapixel with a 2.0 aperture and supports shooting HD videos with a resolution of 720 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. As for the rear cameras: dual lens with LED flash. The first camera has a resolution of 50 MP with an aperture of 1.8. The second camera for artificial intelligence. The rear camera supports HDR, panorama and shooting videos in full HD with a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. The contents of the phone case: the phone has security charger head, USB Type-C cable pod, metal pin, instructions for use, warranty certificate. Summary: to know if the phone is worth buying or not. For the economic price category, the phone offers good performance if it is used in internet browsing or watching videos or pictures. The phone in heavy games with high graphics is not the best. The phone is good and unquestionable in photography, and the battery lasts for a long time in all uses throughout the day. As for the price of Realme C63, for 6 GB RAM and 128 GB, about $137. It should be noted that the price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. Each country has its economic conditions. So we have finished the video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, do not skimp on support. Like it, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.